Kala long ka jing sngo sarong ka balawan ra ya ka nam ka buram ka bakraw Hapdeng ka shnong ka thau bat ka dong ka thany hi barok away. Shisin bala prat ya kalinti ay bahdu pa perthai kan yo i. Ka Little Star School kala day ka way na ka school ka ba ajing syakri ka ba paka ha ka dong ka thany hi barok away. Bat kala day ru ka school ka ba ajing hikay da ka tin pareng ba kumno ki hebrit ki balik school ha po ka ka school kin jindala nang ban keren ha ka tin pareng. Kani ka school menin ka sngi haka arpo artari kulber arjar arpusan. Kala pli perdaya ka jingken jo syau maumer ba arpusan. Kala yo ban rakhe Jubili Rupa da ka ba isyong kun ba. Bat laya thuru bah ka por baseng ya ketiga school kidon kumba arpo ngut ki kena school ki badai ki kelas nursery. Ban da ka jinglen la de bat ai tilut kino hikai la sakhi ba menta ka sngi kala de ka jing job ka bakraw la ruban kedo hangne ba ketiga school kandang yai pen klan ya ka jing syakri ke barat ba. Lasaki hakani ka sngi la ya don benta lang ru ban wan ban pencingan ya ka sngi pli ya ka jing rakhe ka bah baro shisnem kan thop ya ki khna school ki bala de ban yai ling ba hapo ka tiga school kinong hikai ki bala don benta ban ai ka jing syakri kinong hikai ki badang ya beteng hadu menta ban ai ka jing syakri ki khna school bat lembat ki mi ki pa ki badai kinong kershan barat ba jong ka tiga school o kongsan hakani ka sngi u master Vijay Kumar Mantri commissioner and secretary u badai khmi ru ya ka tanat puli puti ha ka jela baro ka wei ka SDO jong ka Peninsula Civil Subdivision ka kong Ivarinia Warjri. U kongsan na kani kasngi haba ajing kren. Ulong baka bakong santam ka bala ban penkelaya ka jela hi barakawai ka dei ka puli puthi. Bad ulong syusyuru baki kena menta kim dan kamsyu ban liwat ya kanu kalat. Ndrei kalat kala pli lupaya pi. Ula penrap syusyu da ka baong ba ula kwa ya kinong yalam snong ki komiti snong bakin ai ka jinga trilang lebat ki school. Kenang baki kena kin yo lat ban lit school hapo ka snong badru banduna kalut kusan. Ka SDO jong ka Peninsula Civil Subdivision ka kong Ivarinia Warjri haba ajing kren hakani ka sngi kala ong. Lesi kala long Hapdeng ka jinga inti ka bajrong bha bat ka don ka jinga le bat ka jing e ki bakhang lat hakibun kiliang. Haka pasdang ladon arpo ngut naka kelas nursery house name hajar. Bat mentapat kani ka school kala nang la ban penyar syadu ka klasik. Bat ngishim ban ai kublai bat kularu ban ai ka eke babahatam hakala wei ba pernai. Lapan ya kani ka program hakani ka sngi da ka samla lam jing shainong room bat ki katu kani ngut kinong hikai. Layo katu kani ka jing ruai ka jing shat na ki kena school. Lapan sngauru ya ka jing don kam ka baka school ka dang dawa ban yo kenang na kubenta ka bit ka biang. Kentang ya wai ka buram ka bakraw ya ka klidu jong ka tiga school ka kong Monjuri Suting kum kanong seng ya kani ka school house name hajar. Menta ka layeng rensan ban penher ya ka Lama jong ka Jubili Rupa haparo shisnem. Lai kublai tempang ru ya ki bor sensiar shnong ki balawan ban pensingan ya ka tiga sngi.
Happy to have you here with us. The air is filled with music.
On stage, I would like to call the president of the school, Mr. V. Suting, to come up and facilitate our chief guest, Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri. Of the school, Mr.
Has made our parents
to encourage us to carry on this program with your presence, ma'am. Thank you and welcome, ma'am. So, I welcome everyone. And also the past people who really give us this function a very joyful, and it also
long komni kumbaki long lane ni kibala kam slam inam yo ru ban long komni kumbangi ni long unta kaswi nganom kren slam kapor kala ban kan kala ban ladangan kren slam tan rai tangkom pul kala adat ya lenti ai lahai bor bade dai thop si thop kumbakala de dok puni mau jang Min mangyayad kong kaskol, but ni kaman
Peninsula and its adjoining areas. Perhaps the journey had been a very challenging one, as we have heard from the speeches of our earlier speakers. Despite the challenges, the school has thrived. In fact, what began with a small initiative of incorporating and inducting 20 students for the nursery class in 2000, today as it stands, we have the school managing and catering to many students up to class 6 or standard 6. So I have also been told that the building of the school is a privately owned, and it's been given to the school free of rent, so that the management committee members could run the school. We take it on ourselves to salute the efforts of its founding members. We celebrate the journey that has been, and we look forward also to a more promising future for the school. We are sure that today, looking forward from today, we will have many activities, a year-long activity commencing from today till the year end, that is in December, perhaps November or December 2025. So the students will be having a year-long celebration. I think many of the events would have been spearheaded by the capable teachers and partaken by the students, the present students, as well as the alumni. So it will not just end here. It will not just end here. I think looking forward from here, we have a legacy to carry on. The teachers, the students, the founding members, they have a legacy to carry on with the school. So it's not much, I won't say much at this juncture, but then I'm hopeful that with the concerted efforts of all the major stakeholders, if I say major stakeholders, I mean the managing committee members, the teachers, the students, the parents, and if it's being handheld by the government, I think we are looking at Little Star being a school of prominence, which will be talked of in the same breath.
My office 2 weeks back, and along with one of the staff. And one thing is that I was very curious to understand how the schools are functioning in the villages, in the rural area. I want to understand. I went to Delhi for 7 years for my work and deputation. I have come back very recently, about 8-9 months back, and I have taken charge of education department. And I want to learn. I want to learn, change things. We want to transform, because the only way to transform Meghalaya is through education. So a lot of things I understood, and we had a talk about 40-45 minutes, and then I understood, she explained to me a lot of things that are happening in the education, especially in the rural area. And one thing she said, I was very surprised that the school is for 25 years, it's functioning so nicely, but there is no opening permission. Because that is surprising. Now you don't need opening permission, you already opened. So And that was that discussion actually is helping many others. I'm telling you. That discussion, because you have taken initiative to come to Shillong, met me. Now when I inquired, there are 504 schools in the state which don't have opening permission, but still working for last 10, 20, 30, 40 years. It's still work going on. So we have given an instruction. They must thank you, because we have given instruction by 31st March. All the schools should be not opening permission. We should give them recognition now. And after that, then the new schools we can give opening permission, because now you cannot have a school functioning, without opening permission. School is functioning. It's not the right thing. It reflects very poorly on the department. So we have had a meeting with all the DSCOs, SDSCOs. We have instructed them that all the schools should be recognized, must be recognized. So this school definitely, very soon, in 2 weeks time, you will get a letter with opening permission. Definitely. And one more thing I observed recently, I attended a function in Saint Mary School in Shillong. And Saint Mary, Saint Anthony, Saint Edmund, these schools. You know how many students study in Saint Mary's? 3,000 students they study there in Saint Mary's. And most of the students must be from Peninsula. Some of them must be Peninsula. And I wonder, when you have such a beautiful school here, and dedicated principal, dedicated teachers, such a young and dynamic teachers where you have, there's no need to go to Shillong, and then it is disturbing the whole economy and the whole family system. The parents have to take so much trouble to take their children to Shillong and pursue high education. It must be available here. I wonder why 25 years the school because of lack of opening permission, it has not grown. It should grow now. I request the principal managing committee that now you must grow. From 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the students who are in 6, they should not go to other school. Because it is very troublesome, it's a traumatic experience for any students. They made nice friends here. After class 6, now they have to go. They have to go to another school. There also maybe class 8 you have. Again from class 8 you have to go to class 9 and 10. After 10 again you have to go to class 11. It's like how many times they will go from one school to other school. My only request, we must grow. We will give full support to the school. Whatever support is required, I am sure that Darbashnam and all the members of the committee, they must be supporting you. And I know that you are being given this house for free of rent. So I think there are many people, you have an SDSCO who can help you out. And very soon we are going to post here SDSCO also. It's in the proposal stage. SDSCO will come and he will directly support you. Of course, coming to the other points that are there in the representation is the support. Definitely, because I think so far, because there was no recognition, there was no opening permission, I think the school is left out. There are a lot of funds are coming from Government of India, Delhi, and there are a lot of state government funds are available where we can give uniforms, books, many things, even the computers, IT infrastructure. There are provisions are available. I think now onwards, I think this school also will be getting very definitely. There is no doubt in that. I am very happy to see the children, and they performed so nicely, and I think a lot of effort would have gone. Not the students, they are enjoying, but I think I'm worried about the teachers, because I don't know how much pain they have taken to train the students, and the students are so disciplined and so nicely they perform. It must be a treat to the eyes, my eyes. I think the parents also would have enjoyed so much. And thank you so much. I don't want to take much of your time. I'm very glad that you have invited me here. And even though you're a private school and you have not taken any support from government, and then you are taken pain to invite officers.